Hello viewers, welcome to the class for today. It's linear equation homework that I gave to my student. Um, we're going to look at all of these questions. Please subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
I asked you a question just now that which topic were you doing? You said multiplying and dividing integers, right?
No, it wasn't multiplying and dividing. It was adding and subtracting integers.
Wait. So it's adding and subtracting integers, right?
Yeah.
That you're doing currently in school, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Um, The other time we did something on adding and subtracting integers, right? Right.
Mm-hmm.
What about multiplying and dividing integers? You said we have not done it. You said,
Multiplying, we've already done that.
aha, because it's because you said we did not do it. That's why I went to look for the video because all your classes are on record. I'm going to share it for you now to watch. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Can you see the page I'm sharing?
Yeah.
Aha. So just watch this. Subscribe to this channel. Thank you. So um, now, Who is this joining the class? That's you, right?
Me?
Good.
Yeah.
And what's the topic?
Multiplying, adding, and dividing integers.
Aha. So because you said we have not done it, so that was why I said hold on. I wanted to go and check to be sure. So and this was the. How are you today? Now fast forward it. Then we have 90 divided by 5, that's 18. But minus divide minus, that's cancelled out. That's 18 positive. Then we have minus cancel minus. Let me fast forward it because there's something I'm trying to bring out here. So this work, there are about how many questions? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I want to see how you performed, right?
Okay.
So that's 13, 14, 15. Okay, out of 15 or so. So out of 15, in multiplying and dividing integers, out of 15, what was your score?
12.
12. So with that, and if I get 12, with at least this was your performance during the class. If I say 12
Yeah.
out of 15, uh, that's 80%, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And if you were to be graded with 80%, that should be something close to A, if not A. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
This is multiplying and dividing integers. And if I move forward in this, what did you see here? This is adding and subtracting integers. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Aha. Let me play.
Yes,
Okay. 4 is together. That will be 24. Because your mom sent me the topic and I did a justice to that topic. Yes or no?
Yes.
So hold on. 27. So this is increment of. So plus 15 is 21. In the addition and subtraction of integers, there were how many questions? Up to 15 questions, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. This is positive 8, okay? It means whatever's in the bracket, use a positive value. So this one, negative, this will be negative, both negative, and that's minus 26. Did you get minus 26?
yes,
Okay. Did you do the last one?
I did.
Okay, let me check. Understand. So 40 over 8 is 5, but there's negative 2, so that's negative 5. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
that's a very good job. Hold on, I'm going to give you something to try. Now, out of 15, how many did you get correctly? You got 14.
14.
So what went wrong in the
Yeah.
school? What went wrong? We did adding and subtracting integers. I explained, during series of lessons until you were able to do the whole thing. And I gave you classwork after maybe another lesson, or I think this was homework or something. And you got 14 out of 15. In the multiplying and dividing integers also, you got 12 out of 12 out of what? 15. That was 80%. And this 14 out of 15 is 93%. So I will put it
Mm.
to you, Idia, that you simply got distracted. You did not study after the class. You neglected everything. That's why it affected you in the school. Not that you don't know the principle. Not that I didn't explain to you. Okay?
Yeah.
Aha. So the main thing is that I don't mind going over, whatever is necessary to go over, but it's I wouldn't be happy to be hearing that you didn't do well. Or should I be happy?
Mm-hmm.
I
No.
shouldn't. I shouldn't be because I would be like, what? Because when your mom was talking to me, I was like, but I didn't tell her whether we did it, whether we didn't do it. I just said I will have a word with you first. So the main thing, before you get carried away with anything, any other activities at school, um, you should focus on the main thing. Whatever what's doing
Okay.
at all, what's doing well. I know you might be interested in series of activities and whatever, and it's going to take your time. No, there are different categories of students. There are some students that they are the one that will tell the teacher, I don't know this particular topic. They will start by telling their parent, I don't know this topic, and the parent will look, okay, let this teacher come and teach you this topic. So their own issues or challenges are half solved because they could identify their point of need. In fact, such student will be like, I have a test coming up in 2 weeks' time, and they will start preparing by themselves. So when they have any teacher around them, they will now say, oh, I have a test coming up in so topic. Whatever we are doing, we have to put it on hold so that I can focus on this particular. Okay, let's do this. They will even come to the teacher with questions that they were finding difficult to solve, while trying to study personally. I have a student like that. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yeah.
Yeah, it would always come with series of questions that the teachers have given. Maybe I've given them the topic or something, maybe from their website or from whatever. It will bring lots of questions, and we will look at everything. We solve them. Some of them I put them on record. I kept on the channel, while some of them I just send the screenshots to in. Okay, there's no problem. I believe you're gonna. Do you have any test coming up soon or exam coming up soon?
No.
Okay. So you are the one that will now have to, wake up. Let me put it that way. Because it's not that you are not understanding when I teach you. At least the evidence is what I just showed you, right?
Yeah.
When we started, you might be, finding that particular topic because it was new, might be finding it difficult a little bit. But after some time, you blend in. Even this one, if someone should tell me that, oh, you didn't do it because you don't know it, I would argue it because that was not your performance. I mean, what kind of questions are these? These are linear equations, right?
Yeah.
At least from number one to maybe number whatever. Now, I think even you've done something like that before. All these ones that involve fraction, you got everything. You got 8/9, right? So I want to believe that you didn't do the homework not because you did not
Yeah.
know it, not because you did not know it, but because you think you were too busy. You didn't take it as part of, priority, and it was unlike you. You always do your homework. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So, should I give you some time to attempt some of these questions?
Okay.
Okay, so I'll give you some time. And about what mom said concerning, yeah. You don't expect a parent to be laughing at you when you're not doing what they expect. Do you understand me?
Okay.
So that is why it is necessary. It is highly necessary. If the parent just neglect and say, eh, you are on your own. No, 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 no. There is a reason for enrolling you both at school and at private sessions like this, and the reason must be fulfilled. The result must show. If it doesn't show, then there's no point you attending any class with me or something. Do you understand me?
Okay.
So okay, let me have you to try number 1 to 10 for now. When you're through, you send it to me. All right. All right, viewers, I'm
Sure.
going to continue shortly. So, which ones do you want me to explain, or I should just explain anyone? Hmm? Oh, you are muted.
Okay. Yeah.
I should just explain anyone, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Like number 1, we have 4t plus 5 equal to 6. If you check, there are 3 terms. 1, 2, 3. How many terms are there? 3 terms.
3.
Out of the 3 terms, one of them contains alphabet. Which one contains alphabet?
4.
4. So it's not like the rest, right?
Yeah.
So the ones that are like themselves, no alphabet, I'll take them to one side of the equation. That is what we call collecting like terms, okay?
Okay.
So 4t is going to stay, and 6 is going to be outside. It was outside before. But the 5, which was positive, is going to come out and become negative. So the 5 is now with the family, which is 6. Why are they families? Because they don't have alphabet, okay?
Okay.
So we have 4t equals to 6 minus 5, which is 1. How can I get t? I'll divide by the number beside t. Okay, what number is that?
1.
What number is beside t?
4.
4. So the number beside the alphabet that you're looking for is what you always use to divide. So t is 1/4. Let's see one more. Um, excuse me. So I think I'll do number 3. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So
Yeah.
for number 3, I have 4p plus 8 equal to -1. So what are the like terms, if I may ask you? What are the
Wait,
families?
quick question.
Yeah.
Um, how did you get the 1/4?
Oh, that's simple. I said you understood how I got 1, right?
Yeah.
How did I get 1?
You minus the 5. That's
6
5 from the
minus 5.
6.
6 minus 5 gave 1. So there was a 4 beside t, and I said you should divide both sides by 4. Yes or no?
Can you say that one more time?
I said you should divide both sides by 4, right?
Yeah.
So I put 4 under this side and under this side. Then you have the 4 under the 1, okay?
Okay.
There was no 4 there before, and this cancels, remaining only t, right?
Yeah.
So you get 1/4. Is that clear?
Yeah,
Now, for this second one, what are the like terms? Tell me.
8 and 1, negative
8
1.
and 1. Yeah, 8 and 1. Just put it 8 and 1. They are like terms. So one of them is negative, one of them is positive. So they will go to one side of the equation. So 4p remains here, and negative 1 is outside. This becomes negative 8 when it goes outside. So you have 4p equal to negative 9. So what is p? You divide both sides by what?
You divide both sides by 4.
4. So that 4 can cancel 4 here. Then you have p equals to minus 9 over 4, which is minus 2 whole number 1 over 4, okay?
Okay, yeah,
You understand?
yeah,
And if it is the one that involves fraction, it's pretty simple. And, you know, let's do number 5, that's fraction. That number 5, the fraction, has they have the same denominator, so it's simple. X over 2 plus x over 2 equal to 1. Yeah. Since it's the same number, I think, okay, it can be. So you're gonna add the x and x, okay? Over 2.
yeah.
Then this is equal to 1. So we say, I mean, so we say 2x, because that is x plus x, right?
Yeah,
2x over 2 equal to 1. So 2 we cancel 2. So x must be what?
I can see the work you're doing.
Can you see this one now?
Not well.
Can you see it now?
Yeah,
Okay. So x equal to what?
1.
1. X equals 1 because,
Yeah,
okay. Do you understand it?
yes, please.
Okay. So let me see which one again can. Maybe I should do at least from 1 to 10. Let me do number 10. Then you now attempt whatever remains, okay?
Okay,
So number 10, I got y plus 1 over 3 equal to negative 1. You will see that this is a fraction, right?
yeah,
And it's a single fraction. So you just cross multiply, or to remove this 3, you multiply by 3, okay?
yeah,
Multiply both sides by what?
3.
3. 3 will cancel 3 here. So you have y plus 1 equals to what? Minus 3. Then what are the like terms?
Say that one more time.
What are the like terms?
Um, um, please, what are like terms
Yes, what are the
in
like
general?
terms? Like
Oh,
terms.
like,
The same
what are like
terms,
terms?
the
Like,
families, you know.
the like terms are the, I can't say it, the 3,
And the what?
the 1,
Yeah, so
and the
y
1.
equals to minus 3 minus 1, okay? So y equals to negative 4.
Yeah,
Is this clear?
yeah.
Okay. So let me allow you to write this down. Once you finish, you
Mm-hmm.
will attempt the remaining ones within the 10.
Okay.
All right, we're going to continue shortly. No.
Yeah, I was saying that I may have to leave because my
No, we just, we are,
Can you say that one more time?
yes, we're about rounding up.
Let me
Just,
just explain it for 3 minutes.
okay,
Can I just get like 3 minutes? I'll be
okay,
back.
okay, all right. All right, we want- So the first one, we have 2y
I don't know.
plus 3 equal to 5. So what are the like terms? That's 5 and 3. So 2y equal to 2. Then you divide both sides by what?
2. I mean 1.
Is 2. So
Oh.
the answer is 1. Did you get 1? You got 2 over 2,
It's
and you don't know that your 2 over 2 should be 1, right? I'll give you half mark. Okay?
I did the method.
You said what?
I did, but I thought you were gonna still do the like 2 over 2. Because I
2
was
over
gonna write 1 and
2
then I was
over
like,
2 is
no.
1, but you didn't write 1. So if it's an exam or something, you won't get a full mark, okay?
Okay.
Number 2. 3 minus 4x equal to 5. The like terms are 3 and 5, so equal to 4x. So minus 2 equal to 4x. You divide both sides by what? 4. So x equals to
4.
minus half. You wrote x, wait a minute, where is it? What did you write here? Is this a question?
No, this is what's it called, the answer. The bottom one is the answer. No, the one that starts with 3, 4, 3 minus 4x 5.
This one?
I put 2 over 4. Yeah, I put 2 over 4 for the answer.
Okay, instead of minus 1 over 2.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be minus, so you get a mark. This 2 over 4 is 1 over 2, but it's supposed to be minus 1 over 2. So next time you simplify it to 1 over 2, then you should know it will give you minus. Because if you had left this one here, it's negative. Then you get positive here. Then at the end of the whole thing, you are getting negative x. Then x will be negative half. So the third one, 12 plus a equal 32. So a equal 32 minus 12. A should be 20. Did you get a equal 20?
Mm-hmm.
And that one is a full mark. So the last one, 1 plus 4t equal to 5. 4t equal to 5 minus 1. 4t equal to 4. And you divide both sides by 4. T equals to 1. So did you get t equals to 1?
Oh.
So
yeah, same
1,
mistake.
2 and a half. So 2.5 over 4. No problem. That is what we're going to be rounding up for today. I will expect you to retry the remaining ones, okay?
Okay.
Goodbye for now.
Bye.
Alright, viewers, thanks so much for watching. You can subscribe to this channel for updates on our future videos.